Weekly horoscope, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The preview, preview. Preview is a in which we only share one part out of all the 6 parts of the premium content. Preview is we only share the conclusion part 1. In premium content, we have transits for this coming week, transit of moon, the impact of moon's transit on you, what are the results, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, the task precautions and chanting. Precautions you need, task you needed to balance the astrological equation if you want to. Precaution what you shouldn't do, and the chanting how you can boost yourself up spiritually. All the elements are there in the premium content, but if you want to, then you can visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the premium content from my website. These weekly horoscopes or the monthly horoscopes, even the yearly horoscopes which I produce, these are applied horoscopes. They are fully applicable. And a lot of information is given to you. You can change or maneuver the astrological equation if you want to for your benefit. And a lot of things is given to share with you. You can take advantage of that. This particular horoscope, weekly horoscope, if something is important coming in the coming week, and like as a job interview or legal case, court date, or any particular important meeting, and you want to see that what the best you can do, or presentation, or the particular event of the week, you want things go smoothly, whatever the help you can take it astrologically as given in this particular weekly horoscope. But the premium content we share the whole, but the preview we only share the part. But in this preview as well, you have to watch the video till the end, because in the last part of we call supporting statement for each and every sign, which is individual according to your weekly horoscope, individual horoscope for each and every sign. So we define the equation and try to explain to you what is what. But at the end of the day is your choice. My weekly horoscopes are applied horoscopes. If you are concerned about the coming week and you need some sort of a support, guidance or help, and you want to maneuver your astrological equation, then these are horoscopes are for you. How important is the coming week for you, and what are the important events happening, which at what stage you are in your life, at what moment you are in, and what you want to achieve. So it's all depend on you. There is purely applied astrology weekly horoscopes. So if you want to apply and use the application of astrology and maneuver the equation and achieve the benefit, and if you want to do that, it's entirely up to you. It's all depend on, this is not wishy-washy kind of horoscope, this will happen, this will explain to you what is what. More magnifying as much we can for the complete information for the coming week. So best of luck for all of you. But kindly watch the whole video till the end. Sagittarius, in this coming week, Jupiter settled in 2nd house. Watch your flow of income. Watch your conduct and dealing. Mars, Mercury in 10th house. May I say that look after your professional decision or financial decisions. Watch your investment, please. Sun position in 11th house. If you're coming across lots of financial income resources opportunities, you must know how to handle those opportunities. Venus Ketu in 12th house. May I say that this particular time period, watch your investment, watch your spending. Sometimes you end up spending a lot of money, but with your own conscience, yes, you will make a decision. But still you have to watch. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Define your moon's transit effect. That will define your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must do in this particular week to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Sagittarius weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Sagittarius. In this coming week, there will be rise in status, prestige and honor. In this coming week, you will be very much busy in socializing and participating in a lot of social events, religious events. Sagittarius, you will have enough income resources to survive. There will be rise in comfort, luxuries, lifestyle, rise in name, fame and establishment. You'll be very much in contact with professional people, powerful people, decision maker. There will be happy occasion, gathering, celebration in the family. You got to look after your health. You got to look after your well-being. Mentally, you can be under a lot of stress.